So I have some questions for the GUI test automations. Explain how you chain multiple Cypress command together. Ashik.
Yes, actually, this is a very important question because it maintains the code and it actually make it more readable. Actually, Cypress commands can be chained together to perform sequential actions or assertions in a single readable sequence. In my BA project, I use Cypress command chaining to streamline the test script for user outputs. For instance, I combine commands to navigate to a page, fill out and submit a form, and then verify the submission success message all in one sequence. Meaning at first I go to my BA website, then I click on the login button, then it will redirect me to the login page and where I give my email and password. And after successfully login, there should be a success message. So I did all of them in a sequence, in a chain method. So it actually allowed for clear, more concise test cases that were easy to maintain and debug.
Got it.